Hello friends, this is Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstroMoneyGuru.com and First Global Astrofinance digital channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. In this episode, we are going to talk about fluctuations, upward or downward movement of US stock market. What all possibilities of the stocks and the commodities in US stock market we are going to discuss based on financial astrology. Friends, today 29th of October year 2020, we shall be discussing about American capital market. If you remember in our previous episodes in European market as well as Asian market, we had given clear indication based on astro-technical research that global capital market likely to see great shake-up and downward movement, profit booking. Exactly things happens like this, whether it is Asian, European and US market come under pressure. Reason whatsoever it may be given for American presidential election year 2020 or the next wave of pandemic COVID-19. But all these indications have been recorded well in advance, 2 months. You can go through our channel, you will find this. If you remember yesterday also, we had given an indication about the bullion, especially gold and silver. Both commodities have seen vertical fall along with the black gold mean crude oil. Today we are also expecting this weakness to be continued. Gold is expected to break important support level 1870. Remember friend, if gold were very fair possibilities, after having broken 1870, gold may touch 1852 day levels. And thereafter, after having broken this, it may touch 1835 level. However, one can put stop loss 1882 level. This is the very important level for the gold previous few weeks. So, what is expected? This is what we have shared with you as based on astro-technical. If you look at the planetical condition as on date, you will find Jupiter, it is about to change its zodiac sign next week from Sagittarius to Capricorn, going to meet with Saturn in Capricorn. Important planet Mars, it is under retrogression. And Mercury, it is also combust due to Sun's effect and retrogression also. Sun, it is in debilation sign, while Venus, it is also under debilation. It is deposited with Virgo. All these parameters are indicating highest volatility. Friends, I had prepared a very special episode on the planets retrogression. Impact of the planets retrogression you will find in this channel. You can check this. Whenever important planets come under retrogression, that it shows the volatility, confusion, uncertainty, and human behavior, it is also in a great dilemma. due to Sun in Libra sign. Sun is what? Sun, it is basically representing ruling power. Sun meaning your official government power. Sun gives you an authority to make decision for the country. And when Sun, it is under deviation sign, mean as per the financial astrology, it loses its power. When Sun, and Sun it is considered to be a king of all planets. So therefore, whenever Sun and Mars loses its strength, you will find the weakness in the human behavior and the policies decided by the government. It's not being easily accepted by the public. So therefore, till 15th of November, or rather 14th of November year 2020, situation may not be very, very good. I had given pre-alert well in advance 2 months, and I keep reminding you about this big turmoil. Now let's see what happens. Today we are expecting the weakness in ExxonMobil, British Petroleum, and financial sector ETF triple Q, and the gold ETF or GLD is also looking weak. Let us see what happens, but situation is not very comfortable. Friends, you can ask for paid astro research on stocks commodity of the US market, and you can enjoy our pre-alert, timely alert, and pre-market opening results also. All the very best. Good luck.